Hey everybody, I am about to attempt to fully disassemble my FNP40. There it is right there. So we're gonna see how it goes. I figured I might as well film the whole thing for better or worse, and maybe somebody will learn something from it. So here we go. First step, this gun is safety checked. We're going to take the slide off, just like so. Just going to take that apart. But what I'm really going to go for is this lower receiver here. So let's get into that. Alright, first thing that I'm going to do after removing the slide there is I'm going to punch out this pin. I don't have a punch. Get that started. There. Pin removed. Now let's see here. Like I said, this is my first time fully disassembling. And let's see what we got. Right there. Okay. Okay, so that, you probably saw that better than I did, but this bar here goes up into there. There's your fire control group, I guess you'd call it, right there. Huh. Well, that wasn't too bad at all. Here's hopefully that's in the camera there. The rear frame rails held in by a little spring. There's a spring, and one side was longer. You notice, you see that? This side would go to the right if you're looking down on the gun. Okay. There's the other frame rail. Okay, let's see. Now, butterfingers over here. I've got this slide stop. There's a little spring in there that slips into a groove, and you just got to push it down out of the way here if I can. There, we almost got it. Where are we at? There's the slide stop. Alright, so looking over it for a few minutes there, trying to find my next step. I do believe this is it. Okay, so there's a groove on the trigger pin, and it would be on the left if you're looking down. I feel some spring tension there on my little hex key. See if I can see what. Okay. What do we got here? You know, I think I gotta pull out. Well, that won't come. Let's see. I'm gonna take another look at it. Alright, some of you might curse me for doing this, but I do believe the only way to get the rest of this out is to just give her a tug. And it's not a comfortable feeling by any means. Spreading a frame rail, I don't know. I think so. I think I just gotta spread that, slide out there. It's like a ramp, but not really because it's under the barrel. Alright, I'm gonna do that off camera. Alright, so I was able to remove this, and now it seems that, let's see if I'm in the camera there. It does seem that I can just pull out the entire assembly. So there's your trigger, transfer bar, all that good stuff. And let's see. You know, I don't think I'm going to take out the front rails. I can get in there and clean everything. So there you go. All I used. You might want a punch, screwdriver, needle nose, and there you have it. She's all apart. I'm gonna give her a good cleaning once, twice over, and put her back together. So hope that helped you out some, if you were wondering. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I just got done cleaning the trigger group and whatnot, and I'm reinstalling it, and I thought I'd show you a little trick. Right there's the spring. You can see it coiled up, and it rests on top of the slide catch. And it takes some pressure. You got to push down in there to slide the pin through. And what I did is I got this narrow Allen key, and I started it so it lines up. And now I'm going to start the pin. Where is it? Right there. Just opposite of how I removed it. And remember that little ridge that goes to the left if you're looking down. So just another little nice tip. Okay, I assembled the rest of the forward group here. The last thing I put in was this. And you gotta make sure in here that the spring, this spring here that goes underneath this block, does sit in that groove. I had to get a little screwdriver in there and push it over to get it in there, and that'll keep your takedown lever from sliding out. Alright, I wanted to give you a better look at reinstalling this, the rear fire control group. I just cleaned it. I'm not willing to take all that down. It seems too intricate for my personal skill level. But what I am going to show you is you got to lift that transfer bar, I'll call it, all the way up and slide it in between there. See if I can get it for you. Like that. And then you can start pulling it down. You gotta pull the little transfer bar, it kind of gets hung up. And there's a little groove that slides down into, and I'm actually going to turn off the camera so I can get in there and look closer, but that will just slide back into place and you can put your pin in. So I'll get that done and show you. So I just finished dropping the group down into the groove. You can see it's flush right there if you look from the other way. I don't know if you can see that, but you know it's in the groove when it's all flush up in here. And you feel it in the groove. It won't go back and forth any. And now we'll try to... And this pin, oh, you know what I forgot? Anybody? Any takers? What'd I forget? Some of you probably already know. I think I'm an idiot, but right here, got the rear frame rails. Luckily I caught that. But like I said, for better or worse, you know, this is the first time I've ever done it, and I thought I'd show it to y'all, and because I haven't seen any videos like this for the FNP, and I wanted to figure it out. So hopefully by doing this, some of you guys figured it out. I don't know, maybe everybody already knows how to do this, but I couldn't find it for the life of me anywhere online. So, okay, spring is back in the way it came out. Now, I'll do this, and I'll just do it on camera, see if I can do it again here. Like that. You gotta pull that over so it drops down. And now we're back in place with the rear frame rails, or slide rails, I guess I want to call it. I'm going to give that a little tap. Okay, we're over on the other side. And there it is. Oh, too much. There you go. There you have it. Back together.